Hi techies! Welcome to Embedded Systems series. In this video, we discuss about the differences between a general purpose system and an embedded system, which are explained by category wise. Before getting into the technical details, let's quickly discuss about what is a computer and the embedded system. A computer is a combination of hardware and software resources that integrate together and provides various functionalities to the user. An embedded device is a part of an integrated system that is formed as a combination of hardware and software for a specific function and which can operate without human interaction. Now I am going to discuss about difference between computer and embedded system, which are explained category-wise. The first category is human interaction. In case of computer, it needs a human interaction to complete tasks. And embedded systems does not require human interaction to perform tasks. The second category is processing unit. The computer is designed using a microprocessor as the main processing unit. Coming to embedded systems are designed using a microcontroller as the main processing unit. The third category is memory. The general purpose system contains a large semiconductor memories like cache and RAM. It also contains secondary storage like hard disks, etc. And coming to embedded systems, it uses semiconductor memories but does not require secondary memories like hard disk, CD. It sometimes has special memory called flash memory. The fourth category is power consumption. Computer needs more operational power than embedded devices, and embedded device needs lesser operational power than a computer. The fifth category is performance. In case of computer, performance is the key deciding factor on the selection of the system. Always faster is better. And coming to embedded systems, application-specific requirements like performance, power requirements, memory usage, etc. are the key deciding factors. The sixth category is response. In case of computer, response requirements are not time-critical. And coming to embedded systems, for certain category of embedded systems, like mission-critical systems, the response time requirement is highly critical. The seventh category is cost. Embedded systems are low cost compared to computer. The eighth category is execution. Computers need not be deterministic in execution behavior, and in case of embedded systems, execution behavior is deterministic for hard real-time systems. The ninth category is applications. The computer executing a variety of applications. And, in case of embedded system, executing a specific set of applications.